Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So today I'm making a coffin. Yep, I sure am. I'm making a coffin. And what I'm doing is I use this as one of my flower displays. It was like a box that I had on my dining room table back in the summer filled with beautiful blue and white flowers. So now I'm taking it apart. And yes, I'm making a coffin. So I am going to, I have the two short pieces, the two long pieces, and then the end pieces are actually canvas. And I am going to staple them together. Now this didn't end up working, the stapling, so I'll tell you what I did to fix it. But this is the shape. It's like a old-fashioned pine box. Is that what they called it? So this is going to be the shape. So I am going to spray paint this black. And there it is. I'm not worried about the inside because I am going to be lining it casket style. So this is what it looks like. And the staples didn't really stick that well. So I ended up just drilling holes and connecting all the pieces with zip ties. And that allowed me to move it almost like a hinge. So here is my fabric. Now I bought this over at the Goodwill. It's actually a red tablecloth. And I think it's going to be perfect for my lining. And I even found a little red pillow to match. Now this is pretty creepy. It really is. So I'm going to just put my fabric around it, and I think I'm going to roll it to the edge and hot glue it all the way around. So let's see how this turns out. And this is how it turned out. It's so large, I actually had to set it on the floor to take a picture. It's about 5 feet long. And I enjoyed this project so much, I decided to go into the coffin making business as a side. I actually had people standing in line, just dying for a discount. So if you need one, well, this one's already taken. See you soon. Bye for now.